Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. This video is focused on my walking robot Mirft2, and the real focus is on walking with power, which power to use. I have now the battery packs on their respective places. For balance, one in the back, one in front, and not completely wired yet, so let me do that. And with this wiring I can switch it on and have it walk. I can also use, of course, because it's the TXT controller, use that particular AC adapter. The point is, the AC adapter is 9 volts, just a single 9 volts, and it replaces one battery pack. The reason that I use 2 battery packs is because it has 4 motors, and one battery pack is not enough. So I should have to use 2 AC adapters, which is not possible. So does it work with one AC adapter? It did, but not for long. So let's see how it works this time. And another thing is, as recently shown once again, it needs a rough underground to walk on. In this case, a cloth, but any rough surface would do. And to see how it works better, let's move it towards well, the end, because it has a little problem walking in a straight line. It diverts to the left, and it has a limited time of walking. So let's see to that again and see if I can really get these sensors touching the object, because that was a problem last time as well. And for all this I switch to screencast. Alright, all set now. Controller is working. I had some trouble logging into the controller, but I finally managed. So this is the source code for running for the output. Here I can display the images, so that's nice. And Robot Pro only to be used right now for, if I can set it correctly, indeed for the right controller, and then I5 and I7, and I give a nice 9.5 volts, so that's good. Now let's run and see whatever happens. And okay, I see one of the gears out of place, so that's a problem. One of the front gears is dislocated, so that will never run. I have to fix that. As it turns out, there were actually 2 gears out of place, which was caused by the frame being dislocated at several at some 2 or 3 places. So that is a risk I had not run into before. Anyway, let's run again. See if it wants to completely run this time. And it has a network error which I do not like. This is better. And that is actually a fair touch, but it is straying away. It is even pushing away the cloth. So that is in itself well, an indication for the power it has. And that's the end of the run. So let's see for any results in the data log. Also, let's see the images taken. So this looks very nice actually. All colors separated except the red. Then the data file. No front sensor, but I want front sensor 1. So it shows nothing. That is not nice. So I have to look at the exact timestamp, which shows me 13:53. And 13:53 is the actual time that I started recording the former segment. So since then it has not recorded anything. So this touching is not recorded, is not logged, and that is a disappointment. That said, what do I see here? Yeah, I3 is being detected. So because it is still against the object, it does work, but unfortunately not in the data file. That said, I see here two voltages. I5 gives 9.5, 9.4, and here it is 8.5. So what does this one say? 9.4 against 8.5. Which one is more reliable? I would say this, and I hope so, because otherwise I'm quickly out of power. Anyway, yes, it does run. Yes, it grabs images. What more to see? Well, the time to run, because that is something as well. And I have to see how long it does run, because I can give the speed, but it runs for some time. I'll have to check. Okay, I have found it right in the beginning of the software, and I can increase the distance, obviously. But the question is that wise to do? Because right now I've seen, as you could see, that it touches the object, and it keeps on working and keeps on running until the time until the time runs out, or more appropriately, until the distance is being run. 2350 marks or clicks or whatever as set by the motors. Is that wise to do? Because you don't want to keep running if you've reached the end. if you reach your object. So actually I should keep running until the sensor is being met. The same way I do for the driving robot. So that's something I should build in. And while looking at the source code, I also notice in the data log file that it actually did register a front sensor. So regarding this all, this one is done, but it has it has two sensors actually, but this one is really detected. So from the very beginning there's just one detected. Enough? I don't know, but it is, and that's a nice thing. Then regarding this, I have to set a while for detecting it. So if the front sensor is being detected, then go. Just go. That may be a challenge. Actually, I have done it for the other one, for the driving robot, like I said, but I'll have to look into that code instead of reinventing the wheel. So instead of that, I've decided to do another run. Yet one more take at the hopefully correct voltages, 9.2 and 9.3, which I'm very much okay with. And let's go. See whatever happens this time. Yep, that's okay. And again the diversion, no gears rattling, and it has a very strong diversion, and this leg front left is from the cloth, and this time it didn't even manage to get anything. So going back and run. Oh, did I have, by the way, no front sensors? Yeah, this time obviously no front sensors. Okay, go. So the question is still, why does it divert to the left? And speed. Oh, that's not good. Why is that not good? All gears are in place. Yeah. Okay, how much fault do I have left now? 9, okay. Should be alright. Okay, one final run and then see some more pictures. And I had to check for the bottom side of the robot, because there are some parts that easily slide away and can actually touch the gears. So that may cause some rattling noise as well. And it doesn't do anything. Nothing at all. Oh, that's not good. Do I need really a fully loaded battery pack in order to make this run? I hope not. And rattling gears again. And I see no problem in the gears themselves. So once a good run, second time a good run, doesn't guarantee another good run. Okay, one more try. Yes, of course, speed. And there's a gear spinning, which is right. Oh, which is right in the at the behind of the everything. That's no good. Yeah, right here, a gear spinning, and I don't know why. So, is the design okay? I think so, mostly. Why the spinning gears? I have to find out. But as I noticed in the beginning, the frame was not quite okay. A bit dislocated. But it doesn't look like that right now. So, what's the conclusion? Changing the algorithm, still needed. Detecting of the front sensor is okay. Gears, that's a question. And I'll try to find out next time. So, without using this power adapter, only the battery packs. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notifications, and press the like. Please leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram, and you may also support by making a donation via either PayPal or Ko-fi, or becoming a patron for as little as €2 or $2 a month. Very much appreciated as well, of course. This is going to be continued. Please take also a look at my website for more interesting fischertechnik projects and other embedded systems. For now, stay safe, take care, have a great day, bye.